So right now I'm in New York for the launch of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. There will be 3 color variants for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The Aura Glow, the Aura White, and the Aura Black. This will be the first time Samsung is introducing 2 screen size variants for the Note series. The Note 10 will have a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, while the Note 10 Plus will have a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display. Both displays will be using the dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display with HDR10 Plus certification, just like the Samsung Galaxy S10. The new nearly bezel-less display is looking great, especially with the hole punch design now smack right in the center of the screen, with a more balanced design, so that it's not so lopsided like the S10. Which one do you prefer? On the side or at the center? Samsung has also added quite a few new features on the S Pen. And my favorite feature will be the handwriting to text, which it would instantly convert my ugly handwriting to a digital text so that I can export it to Microsoft Word, PDF or other text documents that I need to share. The new S Pen also comes with air actions, which now let you control the phone just by doing some air gestures with the S Pen. It's cool that Samsung is actually opening up this Air Actions SDK to developers so that they can create customized controls with these Air Actions incorporated into games or the applications that they are building. So maybe they will put this into the Harry Potter game so that you can actually use the S Pen like a magic wand to cast a spell. That'll be cool, right? Samsung has also upgraded the camera on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So now instead of a triple camera system, they actually have the quad camera system on the Note 10 Plus. With a new depth vision camera on the Note 10 Plus, you will be able to do the live focus videos, which adds a depth of field adjustment to give you a nice bouquet on the background when you are doing a video vlog. The new AR Doodle with the S Pen is also quite cool. You can actually do a more animated and fun video with this feature. Have fun and get creative with your doodles. Now you can create better face filter than Snapchat. Samsung has also added a night mode to the front-facing camera, so now even in low lights, taking a beautiful selfie is not an issue anymore. The new zoom-in mic feature on the video recording is also quite cool. It actually amplifies the audio in the frame when you're zooming in and pushes the background noise aside to help you focus on the sound that you want to record. Samsung has also upgraded the native video editor on the phone. So now, with the S Pen, you can even add in doodles to make your videos more fun. Adobe Rush will also be available for download on the Note 10 if you need a more sophisticated suite of editing tools for your videos. And Samsung finally added the screen recorder feature, which gamers will appreciate and for reviewers like me will appreciate too. And so now we don't need to download a third-party app just to do a screen recording on the Samsung devices. To encourage the use of Samsung DeX, now you can directly connect it to your laptop or your desktop, and Samsung DeX will be activated onto your Windows or Mac, which you can use it simultaneously while using your laptop. So it's easy for you to drag and drop your files between devices and using your favorite mobile apps with a mouse and a keyboard. That's so much easier now. You can now receive notifications and messages right off the Windows screen. And with PlayGalaxy Link, you can actually now have P2P streaming services to play your PC games right off your Note 10. And that does not require any local storage. I think that's the coolest feature for gamers out there. The new super fast charging feature will get your Galaxy Note 10 Plus charged up for a full day's usage in 30 minutes. That's if you use the 45-watt charging plug provided in the box. And depending on market, there will be the LTE and 5G options available for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Here are the storage and RAM configurations for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. We actually saw the pink and red Galaxy Note 10 on display. I wonder when will they launch these two colors to the market. Hope you like this quick hands-on video on the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So which is your favorite color? If you like this video, remember to share and tag your friends. If you have any questions for us, remember to leave it on the comment sections below. See ya!